Yeah, we're cooking today, boy. We're cooking today. That's probably a... See, this is why I kind of wish I had a tripod. I could just set it down, do the shot, turn it off, and then just move it and do, you know, fuck. Just do whatever the fuck I need to do. I gotta take a shit. Like, I'm physically holding it right now, so I gotta do this somewhat quickly. Alright, oh, there we go. Got some onions, boy. Woo! Look at that. Still need a tripod. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I definitely should have turned that down. Would you look at that? Woo! The mail lady! The mail lady! Oh shit, that's it. Forgot it zoomed in. That's how you hook it up. Well, what he done? Popped a few wheels. Now he's traveling the world living like a king. Watching the gameplay, turn out on the ground. Yeah, bitch. So energy today. Energetic. So energy. Wow. What? It took me 6 months to hit that line. But whatever. Probably a fluke. See if you can hit this. I remember when I first played Tony Hawk's Underground. Wanted to be a skater. Didn't work out too well. I also wanted to work for NASA, but I'm a rapper now. I'm a YouTuber. Ah, fuck me, right? So pretty much where I ended the last vlog, it just started raining, so I didn't have actually a chance to record the actual video. But now I think it's done. It was recording all day, like even all the way into the night. But now it's pretty good. But all the snow's gone, so actually looks like spring almost. Might take a walk. But I feel like it's a good time for a walk. Hi, I'm Ryoichi from RyoichiTV.
Yes, y'all, it can don't stop. But 1, 2, y'all, it can don't stop. Yes, y'all, it can don't stop. Until the beat comes, says the beat is short shot. Come on.
I just plugged this light in and it just fucking died on me. I don't think I have another thing to put it in except for that one, but this one's green. Maybe I don't want green. I can see like this light on the camera and then this light, so it's probably like really fucking bright right now. I'm probably super white. Over 9,000? Over 9,000? Look at this. I'm just like knee deep in this bitch. There was just so much, and there was broken shit too. And then there's just that. Shit. Just random shit. Come on. I'm gonna like that. It's a lampshade. Hey, look. It's Mr. Bill. Probably have no idea who Mr. Bill is. Ooh, goody. Ooh, goody. I don't want no fucking spiders or anything biting the fuck out of me. Joke. Look at all my old ass drawings. Oh yeah, if you was wondering why the moose don't play no games, that's where I got it from. Look at that, I got a fucking, that's my old laptop. Here. So cat, one tree up. There's not a lot of lights on it, but we're gonna see if this works. And that's the thing too, like you can't really adjust them. So it's not like you can really fix it. I think this might work. I'm not too. Nope. Ta-da! Ooh, it's a little nip. The funny thing is, it started at like 48. I was like, fuck, shit's cold. We're just doing some Christmas shopping right now. It's Christmas Eve, so. Cause you know, why need Yahtzee when you got wallpaper? Yeah, that's what we're doing right now, doing some late minute Christmas shopping pretty much. I got a bulletin from the church. It's pretty peaceful in here. Got an early Christmas present. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Wrong one. Sup, fuckers? Got a selfie stick, bitch. Look at this. Would you look at that? Oh, oh shit, oh shit. What? Selfie stick, what's up? So I got this today, as well as other shit. I got other shit as well. You know, like socks and clothes and shit that I actually need. But this one, and then like
the headphones.
Actually, I really appreciate it because I really do need them. But I fucking love this shit though, because I don't have to like hold the camera and just like it gets old. It gets old like that. So I like doing this because it's like it's almost hands free. Only thing like I would do is maybe had a belt that would just prop it up, but I feel like that would just look stupid. Even though this is kind of stupid right now, but fuck it, we're going in. Merry Christmas if you're watching this. If it's after Christmas, then happy holidays, happy New Year's. Eventually, it'll come. It'll come. So even this is perfect. You know what I mean? It's just so close. The other one was kind of far away, but I kind of like this. I could extend my arm out. I think this is perfect. Just two. So I really don't gotta fuck with it. And plus it's close enough. Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror. You know, so it's just close enough. I might have to be like this. Like eye level. I like this little timer that's set up because before I record, I put like 5 seconds on. So it's like, okay, so at least I know I have time to prepare what I gotta say. But this one's just gonna be short. I'm just gonna cut this one short just so I have enough video for the rest of the day. So with that said, stay positive, do what you want to do in life. This is Ryoichi from RyoichiTV with the most plays on games. I'll see you in the next one.